how to use fungicides and important tips for using them on houseplants. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most important steps in taking care of houseplants using fungicides. If your plant is showing signs of fungus or disease, like brown spots on the leaves or stem rot, fungicides can help treat the problem and save your plant. Why are fungicides important? Fungi can cause a variety of diseases in houseplants, and if not treated in time, your plants may suffer quickly. Using fungicides helps prevent the spread of disease and keeps your plants healthy. So learning how to properly use them is essential. Fungal issues are among the problems that many people encounter with their plants. Even indoors, various fungal organisms can affect your plants, ranging from common issues like anthracnose to leaf rot and more, which typically attack weakened plants. If your plants begin to show unusual spotting or symptoms of fungal infections, it's best to use fungicides to prevent further damage. In the following section, we'll discuss how to properly use fungicides for houseplants. Signs of fungal infections on houseplants. Fungal infections can be a nightmare for plant parents, affecting the overall health of your plants. That's why we've identified 3 of the best fungicides for houseplants and how to use them. If your indoor plants are showing any of the following symptoms, they may be dealing with a fungal infection: black spots or discoloration on plant stems gray, moldy patches brown. Dead spots on leaves and stems white films similar to powdered sugar on donuts, brown rings or spots on leaves often referred to as rust. Choosing the right fungicide. There are different types of fungicides available in the market. 1. Chemical fungicides, very effective but need to be used with caution. 2. Natural or organic fungicides, ideal for those who prefer more natural solutions. Before buying a fungicide, carefully read the label and make sure it's suitable for your specific plant. How to use fungicide. Now that you've chosen your fungicide, let's go over how to use it correctly. 1. Preparing the solution. Most fungicides come in a concentrated form and need to be diluted with water. Be sure to follow the recommended ratios on the product label. 2. Using a spray bottle, pour the fungicide solution into a spray bottle and thoroughly spray all infected areas of the plant. Be sure to cover the undersides of the leaves and the stems. 3. Post-application care. After applying the fungicide, place your plant in a well-ventilated area. Avoid watering immediately after applying the fungicide, giving it enough time to take effect. Important tips and safety measures when using fungicides. Using fungicides requires care. Here are some important tips. 1. Wear gloves. Always wear gloves when handling fungicides. 2. Ventilation. Fungicides can release harmful fumes, so always work in a well-ventilated area or outdoors. 3. Read the instructions. Always read and follow the instructions on the product label and make sure you use the recommended amount. 4. Repeat treatment if necessary. In some cases, you may need to repeat the treatment after 1 or 2 weeks. Make sure you follow the appropriate time intervals between applications. How to make a homemade fungicide. Outdoor gardeners can use various antifungal agents to control fungal problems on different types of houseplants. Popular antifungal agents contain copper and sulfur, both of which are toxic substances. These chemicals can be used indoors, but safety guidelines must be followed very carefully. Be sure to avoid ingesting these substances and wear protective clothing when applying them to your plants. If pets or children interact with treated plants, it's best to avoid using these chemicals or move the plants to a location where they cannot be disturbed. If you prefer a milder solution, baking soda can be used. Baking soda sodium bicarbonate is an antifungal agent and can even kill certain types of fungi. Research has shown it to be effective against some types of black spots and powdery mildew. Best of all, baking soda is completely non-toxic to mammals, easily available in any grocery store, and inexpensive. Making a baking soda spray. To make a simple baking soda spray, dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda in 1 liter of water. You can add a few drops of insecticidal soap or liquid soap to help the fungicide spread and stick to the leaves. Only use liquid soap, such as ivory, and avoid laundry detergents. Stir the mixture and pour it into a clean, empty spray bottle. Spray the plant thoroughly, covering both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves, and let the plant dry. Repeat as needed to control the fungal issue. If the fungus persists despite regular baking soda applications, switch to a stronger antifungal agent. Baking soda sprays should be labeled and kept out of the reach of children. If you have leftover spray, you can seal it and use it later. Be sure to shake the spray bottle gently before use. Using fungicides can be a great way to keep your houseplants healthy, as long as you use them properly. Remember that both your safety and the health of your plants are important. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments.